Every tool in the toolbox is needed in the fight against COVID-19, and testing is one of the most effective. But testing isn't just testing. There are different types of tests, each with different pros and cons. Two widely used types of tests for COVID-19 are by the PCR method and by antigen detection. Both tests need a swab, either from the back of the throat or from the nose. The PCR test is more sensitive, but it's also the most expensive and time-demanding, as it requires special machinery and lab facilities. Sometimes you have to wait up to 72 hours before you get the result. And how do you ensure that your employees aren't infected while waiting for results? The antigen test is a little less sensitive than the PCR test. However, it's fast, inexpensive, and doesn't require any special machinery or lab facilities. You have a result within 15 minutes. At DNA Human Diagnostic, we supply CE and IVD marked versions of both types of tests, and we believe that the two tests complete each other in the toolbox. With the antigen test, you can test many people in a very short time period, which is crucial at, for example, large events such as concerts or sports events. And it lets you test often at, for example, production facilities, meaning that you can keep your employees safe and your production running. We believe that frequency is the key to reliability. Through frequent testing, you simply increase the chance of detecting and containing COVID-19. That's why we say, if safety is the ambition, frequency is the answer. DNA Human Diagnostic. We believe that the world deserves fast, cost-effective, and accurate diagnostics.